Okay, in this class, we're going to go over how the body moves. How when the torso section of the body moves in a certain direction, what happens to the lower hip section? How does one affect the other? Okay, so let's move that body.
Okay, you might have seen one of these in one of your art classes maybe. And the reason I'm showing it to you is because, as you can see, the upper torso section, and here we have the bottom hip section, and the two are interrelated. When one section of the torso moves, it affects the lower hip section. Okay, so I have outlined the torso section and the hip section. Now, this is very important. This is a very important principle, so pay attention. Watch this. When one shoulder goes up, this hip goes down. And when this shoulder goes down, this hip goes up. Same is true in the opposite direction. In other words, when this shoulder goes up, this hip goes down. When this shoulder comes down, this hip goes up. This is a very important principle in how the body moves. So make sure you really understand this clearly before we go any further.
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.